Hello, welcome to this video. This is Unzadani. So in this video we are going to talk about water and its dipolar nature. So water is an important constituent constituent of all the cells in building up new cells and is also used in breaking down large molecules. So actually water, we must realize to say, it's actually the medium through which all the chemical reactions take place. Medium through which chemical reactions take place. So another important point we need to take note of is that water constitutes about 70% of the Earth's crust. So this actually just means that the a lot of land on earth is covered by water. That's what this point means here. Let's go to the next point. So we must also note to say water has unique properties that allows it to be a universal solvent. So this means that water actually dissolves most of the things. So we must also take note to say water is dipolar. Water is dipolar. And this means that it has two charges. Let's put in brackets here. So we have the oxygen, which was partially partially negative, partially negative, and hydrogen. So the two hydrogen atoms, they will be partially positive, partially positive. So let's try to write the structure of water so that we understand exactly what is the dipolar nature of water. Let's write the structure of water. So let's write the oxygen using the red. So we have, this is the oxygen, and here attached we have two hydrogen atoms here. So we have a hydrogen here, and we have another hydrogen, and we said this is partially positive. So here we said this is partially negative. This is partially positive also. So as you can see, water has got two hydrogen atoms, and it also has got one oxygen atom which is partially negative. So dipolar, let's break down the word so that we understand what dipolar means. So dipolar. So di just means two. Then polar, this means it is charged with an equal distribution of electrons. An equal distribution of electrons. That's what we mean by dipolar nature of water. So what's the importance of the dipolar nature of water exactly? What is its importance? So let's break down so that we understand the importance of its dipolar nature. What is the significance? So what's the significance of dipolar nature? So this actually means that water is a polar molecule. So another point must know to say polar dissolves polar. So this means that polar molecules dissolve in water. So other polar molecules, they do dissolve in water. So what are those polar molecules that dissolve in water? So examples of polar molecules. So we have what we call salt, and this is sodium chloride. We also have amino acids. What else? Amino acids. So we also have sugar. So these polar molecules are hydrophilic, which means that they come into contact with water. So let's also consider other non-polar molecules. Non-polar molecules such as lipids do not dissolve in water because they are non-polar. So these non-polar molecules, they are called hydrophobic. So hydrophobic just means water hating. So they are water hating. So in the next video we are going to see some other properties of water which we call physical properties. So let's also do the next thing, like the formation of hydrogen bonds in a water molecule. So let's write the water molecule. This is a water molecule. Hydrogen partially positive, hydrogen here partially positive, partially negative, partially negative. So here we can have a water molecule here, partially positive and a partially positive as well, and partially negative. So we are going to have a hydrogen bond here, hydrogen bond. So even here we can have a hydrogen bond here, partially negative. So This one and this one here also make a hydrogen bond. So here also we are going to have a hydrogen bond here. It's a water, another water molecule here. So this is partially negative. So we are going to have hydrogen bond here. Also here we are going to have another water molecule. So this is partially and this is partially negative. So we're going to have another hydrogen bond. So as you can see, one more water molecule is able to make how many hydrogen bonds? So we have one, two, three, four. So that means that each water molecule is able to make a maximum of four hydrogen bonds with four water molecules. One water molecule can make a maximum of four hydrogen bonds. So actually we must also note that hydrogen bonds are just weak interactions. So hydrogen bonds are weaker than covalent bonds. So watch out for the next videos. We are going to discuss about the physical properties of water. What exactly are the physical properties of water and what is their importance to supporting life on earth. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. Thank you.